Doing a little testing on my boom, my camera boom. I'll take the camera off and show it to you in a minute. I wanted to get a little different perspective because, you know, all we ever see is a head cam or a chest cam, or maybe we find someplace on the body up here we can mount the camera. But I wanted to get something out a little farther away. I watch Jay Leno and I see all these fancy camera shots they got from the camera car and everything, and I started thinking, well, why not put a boom out here? I don't know if it's gonna bounce my camera down the highway when I get it out there, but it seems I can't put more of a, I get a little bouncing like this. I can't put another stiffener in there if I have to, but it should give us a little different perspective. Well, I don't know. Let's see if that wobbles that around much. Okay. Let me take this off here. We'll get a little picture of what this looks like. I have a crank boss in here where the crank would go through, and I can put my tow bar in there when I need to tow it, which has been a few times, and figured it'd be a good mount for this. Stiffen it up here, and if I have to, I can come back here and go over to this side here and triangulate it, and that should get it out pretty far in front of the car. So we'll see how that looks, how it works. I can't get it outside right now because it's just too damn cold to open up the door and let all my heat out of the barn here. So it's probably going to have to wait till a little warmer weather before I give this a try. So thought maybe somebody might be interested.